Across 4 generations of action camera gimbal, Feiyu Tech have been the top choice of over 2 million users in the world. With imagination and scientific innovation, we bring action camera video to a whole new level. The gimbals themselves are evolving ceaselessly. Today, we proudly introduce the G5, a 3-axis handheld gimbal for heroes beyond imagination. The G5 embodies our symbolic design language, built from highly strong aluminum alloy by precise CNC processing. For the first time, Unibody Motor Arm is brought to action camera gimbals. The motor and arm crafted from a complete piece of metal reduced conjunctions and maximize its overall solidness. The Brushless Motors dedicated to handheld gimbals achieve unprecedented quietness, smoothness, and power efficiency. The well-trusted long screw fixture secures your camera firmly and allows you to install quickly even in the dark. It can fit GoPro HERO5, HERO4, and other action cameras of similar sizes. The all-new counterweights are introduced to adjust the gravity center for cameras of various sizes and weight. The iconic control panel incorporates a 4-way joystick and add versatile function button. A special self-timer button allows for a pleasant selfie experience. Holding the self-timer button as the camera rotates towards the user.
GoPro take photo.
Releasing it resumes the camera's direction. With HERO5's voice control, its all-new selfie definition by optimizing design and processing relentlessly. The G5 is made splash-proof all over. You can enjoy surfing or walk by the sea with your action camera and your gimbal. This is truly revolutionary. The optimized software and selected power-intense battery extend the G5's runtime to an amazing 8 hours. You can charge the G5 with a power bank via its USB port. You don't even need backup batteries. The 2/4 screw ports on the G5 make room for unlimited expansion, with all compatible accessories to expand your ways and reach of filming. The reverse mode will inspire your low-level filming. All these enormously great features can be easily packed into a padded case for your convenient everyday carry. Connected to the G5, the all-new FY Settings app enables features like remote control, auto-calibration, firmware upgrade, gimbal configuration. The fun goes way beyond imagination. This is exactly the gimbal every action camera user wants.